Welcome to back my channel. Visual shots of the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 driving on a scenic road, showcasing its sleek design and powerful engine. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our review of the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. This iconic American sports car has been pushing the boundaries of performance for decades. Let's dive into what makes this beast so special. Close-ups of the ZR1's engine, aerodynamics, and interior. Under the hood, we find a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers an astonishing horsepower. The ZR1's 0 to 60 miles per hour time is incredibly fast, and its top speed is nothing short of exhilarating. The car's advanced aerodynamics, including the massive rear wing, help to generate incredible downforce for cornering stability. Footage of the ZR1 racing on a track or a winding road. The ZR1's handling is precise and responsive, thanks to its advanced suspension system. The car feels planted to the road, even at high speeds. The braking system is equally impressive, providing ample stopping power. Shots of the ZR1's exterior and interior design. The ZR1's design is aggressive and muscular, with sharp lines and bold curves. The car's signature headlights and tail lights give it a distinctive look. Inside, the cabin is luxurious and comfortable, with high-quality materials and advanced technology. Shots of the ZR1's unique features, such as its carbon fiber body panels or advanced technology. One of the ZR1's unique selling points is its insert unique feature, e.g. carbon fiber body panels, advanced suspension technology. This feature enhances the car's performance and gives it a distinct advantage over competitors. Additionally, the ZR1 offers a level of customization that allows owners to personalize their cars to their liking. Shots of the ZR1 driving on a scenic road, ending with a powerful engine roar. The Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is a true performance masterpiece. With its incredible power, precise handling, and striking design, it's a car that will leave a lasting impression. If you're looking for a thrilling and exhilarating driving experience, the ZR1 is definitely worth considering. To learn more about the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 and schedule a test drive, visit your local Chevrolet dealership or visit our website at website link.